Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MCOIN. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MCOIN M20 chain is a blockchain and Web3 ecosystem that aims to integrate and connect the traditional world to provide a seamless user experience. It seeks to revolutionize the industry by setting a unified standard by quality assurance across all protocols. MCOIN, a cryptocurrency built on the M20 blockchain, stands out for its ambition to bridge the gap between different blockchain ledgers. This digital asset is not just another token, it is the part of a broader ecosystem designed to integrate and connect the traditional world with the emerging Web3 landscape. The M20 blockchain, which underpins MCOIN, aims to set a unified standard for quality assurance across all protocols, ensuring a seamless user experience. MCOIN project institution rating is 3.5 and this project audited by Ceretic. MCOIN total supplies 500 million and circulating supplies around 177 million MCOIN. MCOIN is listed on MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.